Hello, I'm Brandon, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to install VMware Player onto your desktop and boot up Ubuntu onto VM. So the first thing you're going to do is launch any internet application and go to Google and then type in VMware. Okay, go to VMware's website. And on the website, they have all these drop downs. You're going to go to downloads and then free product downloads and click on player. Now in Cyber Patriot, we use Player, so you're going to want to get Player because it's compatible with all the images that Cyber Patriot uses. And if you just want to use VMware but you don't want to spend any money, I would recommend Player. It's definitely not the best, but it gets the job done. All right, so if you have Windows, download the VMware Player from Windows. If you have a 32-bit version of Linux, get the 32-bit Linux. And if you have a 64-bit version of Linux, get that. And then you're going to download this. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to worry about running it. Let's cancel that. Okay, so after you get VMware and you get it, you're gonna have to get VMware all set up. It's really easy. Just follow the installation guide. And you have VMware Player on your desktop. Okay, you're good there. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna want to get Ubuntu. In your browser, type in Ubuntu and go to Ubuntu's website. I'll put all the links for these websites down in the description. And then on Ubuntu, you're gonna go to Download. You click on the download, and you're gonna choose Ubuntu Desktop. Now, there's you get the version 12.04 or you can have the version 13.04. I mean 13.10. Now in Cyber Patriot we use 12.04 mostly, but 13.104 is the most up to date, but this has the most support. So I would recommend 12.04, but you can also get 13.04. Just to practice around with Ubuntu and get a feel of it, I would get the 12.04. So we're going to click download on that. Now I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to download, but you just set all these to 0 because they're just asking for donations. You set all those to 0, get that out, and then, or you just, no thanks, take me to download. When you get to that page, you'll start the download, which I do not want to do. Okay, so when you got that all done, you're going to open up your VMware. Now I already have Ubuntu on here, but what you're going to do is you're going to go to create a new virtual machine, and then you're going to find the installer image you just downloaded from Ubuntu's website, double click on it, and then go through these steps, input your full name, what you want it to be called, your username, which should be, the first letter should be lowercase, your password again, and then just continue with this setup. And then when you're done with that, you're going to go through some installation on Windows 60 on Ubuntu, and then you should, by the time it's done, you should be able to boot up VM. So, and then during the installation of VM, it's going to say installing VMware tools, please wait. And when it does that, you just got to give it time. It doesn't look like it's doing anything. It doesn't look like it's doing anything, but in reality, it's installing the VMware tools. And just give it a little bit of time to do that because it might take a little bit of time. So once you get fully in, here's your Ubuntu, everything. And you can start working with anything you want to practice in Ubuntu, set up something. This is really useful for not dedicating hard drive space to Ubuntu, but having it just on your desktop. And it's really important, especially if you are in Cyber Patriot, to get this Ubuntu down so you are prepared for competition. But yep, that's how you install VMware. I'll put all the links to the websites in the description. And thanks for watching. More videos to come on tech stuff and anything with Cyber Patriot, because I'm big on Cyber Patriot and hope you learn something and you can start practicing with Ubuntu.